Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about the every moment and pollution. The every moment is everything that source use, including the air, water, soil, plants, animals, and people. It is the place where all living things exist and interact. In the past, every moment it was cleaner because there were fewer factories, cars, and plastic products. People depend more on nature and produce less waste. Why is it important? The every moment is very important because it keeps use the process we need to live. We need clean to air to breathe, clean water to drink, and healthy soil to grow food, forests, oceans, and animals also help keep the planet balanced. Today, the every moment supports human life, protects biodiversity, and regulates the climate. In the future, people will need to protect natural resources more carefully because future generations are going to depend on them. If we take care of the every moment, we will have a healthier and safer world. Current problems. The every moment suffers. Currently, the every moment is suffering from many serious problems, especially pollution. Air pollution is caused by smoke from factories and cars. Water pollution happens where trace chemicals and oil contamination rivers, lakes, and oceans. Soil pollution is produced by creep and toxic waste. Another major problem is climate change. Temperatures are increasing, forests are disappearing, and many animals are losing their habitats. Natural disasters are becoming stronger and more frequent. If people do not change their habitats, pollution will continue to grow in the future. However, governments and communities are going to create better every moment programs and new technology will help reduce contaminations. People will recycle more, use renewable energy, and project nature to improve the planet.
Pollution. Pollution is one of the biggest environmental problems in the world today. It happens when harmful substances contaminate the air, water, and land. Pollution is mainly caused by human activities such as factories, transportation, and excess waste. Everyday pollution damages ecosystems, affects animals, and puts humans' health at risk. Air pollution. Air pollution is caused by smoke from cars, factories, and burning fuels. This type of pollution affects the atmosphere and can cause serious respiratory diseases such as asthma and lung problems. In many large cities, air quality is becoming worse every year because of industrial activities and traffic. Water pollution. Water pollution occurs when rivers, lakes, and oceans are contaminated by chemicals, plastics, and garbage. Marine animals are greatly affected because many of them accidentally eat plastics or become trapped in waste. Polluted water is also dangerous for humans because it can spread disease and affect drinking water supplies. Effects of pollution. Pollution has many negative consequences for the planet. Its damage forests harms wildlife and contributes to climate change. It also affects people's health and quality of life. If pollution continues increasing, future generations could face more environmental and health problems.
Global warming is one of the most serious environmental problems in the world today. It is the incendies in the Earth's temperature caused by greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane. The gas come from factories and cars, airplanes, and the burning of fossil fuels like coal and oil. Deforestation is also an important cause because trees absorb carbon dioxide and help clean the air. In the past, the Earth's climate was more stable and temperatures were lower. However, today's problem is changing rapidly, and the planet is becomes hotter every year. Many countries are experiencing heat waves, protein wildfalls, and storm hurricanes because of climate change. Cities size that the last 12 years have been some of the hottest in history. Another serious consequence of global warming is the melting of the poles and glaciers. The ice in the Arctic and Antarctica is melting faster because of rising temperatures. As a result, sea levels are rising and some coastal cities are the risk of floodings. Animals such as polar bear, penguins, and seals are losing their natural habitats and struggles to survival. Climate change also affects people around the world. Many communities suffer from water shortages, for food problems, air poor and extreme weather conditions, hurricanes, floods, and faster fire are become more because every year.
For years, we damaged nature, destroying ecosystems and ignoring the consequences of our action. But today we're looking for urgent solutions to reverse this damage before it is too late. To stop pollution, we are going to recycle as much waste and plastic as possible, and we are also going to clean up our rivers and oceans. Also, society will learn to save water and energy consciously because small daily trends in our homes will make a difference for the ecosystem. In the coming years, renewable energies are going to replace fossil fuels completely, so eco-friendly technologies like solar panels and wind turbines will become part of our normal life. With these trends, we will succeed in healing our planet and we will protect the home of future
In
generations.
conclusion, today we talk about the environment and the problems that affect our planet. We learned about air pollution, water pollution, and plastic waste. We also explained climate change, global warming, and the melting of the poles. In the past, many people did not care about the environment. Today, we are seeing the consequences in animals, nature, and human health. However, we can still help the planet with small action every day. We are going to recycle more water and energy and use renewable energy in the future. If we work together, the earth will become a cleaner and safer place for environment. In my opinion, protecting the environment is a various responsibility. Future generations will need a healthy planet to live. For that reason, we must act now and never stop caring for nature. Remember, a small action can create big change. Let's project our planet today for a better tomorrow. Thank you for listening.